Good morning, friends. I'm Nagendra. I'm from Bangalore. I came to Kolhapur Star Infotech CNC to learn CNC and VMC. As on today, we have completed 13 days. Out of 13 days, I have learned so much. You can see here, first of all, we have done today mirror image operation. First, we have done manual slotting. Then, we have done chamfering. This is the photo of mirror image. Then, we have done coordinate orientation process. Here are the same. We have done manual slotting, then chamfering. You can see the difference between mirror image and coordinate orientation. Here you can see mirror image, means it will be reflecting as we are seeing in the mirror. Then here in coordinate system, it will be degree angle, it will be rotating. Presently we have done with a 90 degrees angle. So as of now, with the 13 days, we have learned so much. Still 50% is pending. If you also want to learn CNC and VMC, come to Kolhapur Star Infotech CNC. Our Abhijit sir, he will be teaching very nicely right from basics, not advanced. Even the person who is not seen this mission, he can able to learn easily. Thank you, Abhijit sir. Thanks, Star Infotech CNC.